Today we are discuss about the topic of Python. What is Python? Python is a popular programming language used to tell computers what to do. Here is a simple way to understand it. Easy to read and learn. Pythons look a lot like plain English, so beginners can pick it up quickly. Used for many things like making website, building games, data analysis and charts, artificial intelligence and machine learning, automating boring tasks like renaming lots of files. Very popular, many big companies and schools use Pythons. Example of Python code: print hello world. This is the total overview. What is Python? And it is popular, simple way to understand, easy to read and learn, used for many things, very popular, and example of Python code. Thank you.